Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on the library's biography databases, part of Engage 2020. Look back, move forward.
When searching for a biography on a specific person, one of the first things you want to think about is how long of a biography that you want. If you want something like a book-length biography, you should probably start by searching the library's catalog here on the homepage, cmlibrary.org. Simply make sure the toggle is set to catalog, type in your search, and click on the magnifying glass to go. This will give you access to a wealth of both print and electronic books. The ebooks you can access right from home. If you need something shorter, though, you're probably better off looking at some of the biography databases. They're very easy to get to. From the homepage, cmlibrary.org, scroll down until you see the pink Resources button. Click on that. The library's resource page gives you a search box that allows you to search across many different resources at once. While in many cases this is a wonderful feature, it's not necessarily going to be the best if we're looking for a particular person's biography. So for now, we're going to bypass this and go straight to the biography databases. Do this by clicking on the button that says A to Z List of Resources. From there, you'll be given the A to Z list. Scroll down until you see the two biography databases, Biography Reference Bank from H.W. Wilson and Biography Reference Center. Click on Access Now to log into either one. Both databases have different content, so it can be worthwhile to search both of them. We'll look into each of these in more detail with a specific person in a future video. Once you click on Access Now, you'll be prompted to log in using your library card or student ID number. If you don't have a library card, go back to the library's homepage, cmlibrary.org, and click on Get a Library Card to apply. Remember, you can use the catalog to find full-length books, ebooks, and audiobooks. Use the databases to find shorter articles. Use the search box on the resources page to search many different resources at once, or use A to Z List to go to a specific database. The library has two biography-specific databases, Biography Reference Bank and Biography Reference Center.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out cmlibrary.org/engage2020 for more content.